RSI 14 is 80 and the stock is currently not being overbought or oversold. Volatile ride for NXT-ID Incorporated stock price on Thursday moving between $1.11 and $1.24 updated on December 24, 2020. Buy or hold candidate since December 14, 2020 gained 209.15%. The NXT-ID Incorporated stock price fell by -2.36% on the last day Thursday, December 24, 2020. From $1.27 to $1.24 and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 11.71% from a day low at $1.11 to a day high of $1.24. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 217.95% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -5 million shares and in total, 8 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.49 million. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 63.1% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between 75 cents and $2.40 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The NXT-ID Incorporated stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $1.29. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately 56 cents. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 17, 2020, and so far it has fallen -12.98%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Support, risk and stop loss. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. $1.24 $1.36 This stock may move very much during a day volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 13 cents between high and low, or 11.71%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 25.28%. Our recommended stop loss, $1.17 -5.40%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 5 days ago. Is NXT-ID Incorporated stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for NXT-ID Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. Current score, 3.580. Predicted opening price for NXT-ID Incorporated of Monday, December 28, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 28, 2020. Current price $1.20 $1.24 overvalued.